Welcome to Aussie Couple Hawaii. This is our trip from earlier in the year, not that long ago, just before Halloween, to Disney. We stayed at the Holiday Inn in Anaheim. We did it purely on price. We figured it was just to sleep. So we did look at, your Disneyland hotels, etc. But for how quick it was to walk, as you'll see, and price-wise, it was worth it for us. It did everything that we could physically and possibly need it to do. So please stay with us as we show you what we got in our short time to put together something for you, including a full room walk around. That's the most important. So that is on here, and directions, and let's begin. So you can see here it's a 15-minute walk to downtown, literally a couple of turns and you are there. I swear we did it in about 10 minutes a couple of times, not even trying. So then you can see when you get in there, it's just a short walk. You end up at the Disney Hotel, then you pretty much just go straight through downtown, which is like another, say, 10 minutes max, and then you arrive at the gates, as you can see. As you can see, the walk, it was a very beautiful walk. It was very quiet. I expected it to be super busy. It's literally just like you see in the map, walk straight down here, take a left. You can take any one of the three rights, but I would like to say that you take the second right. As you'll see in this last bit of footage, this is at the very end. You don't need to do that. You're walking extra miles or whatever meters, but you can cut through the car park. So don't worry about the security gates. Just walk straight down the footpath. It is the quickest way. So when you see the security gates, walk down through them and you'll end up at the downtown Disney. Walk straight in. So here we are at the front of the Holiday Inn, and now this will be Ali talking about and showing us and myself around the room. So here you go.
Hi, so this week we're at the Holiday Inn and Suites in Anaheim. Come in and have a look. We're in level 4. We've got a twin double or twin queen, I'm not 100% sure on that, but 2 beds. Bathroom and sink is in here. I'll show you that later. Mini fridge, microwave, coffee station. Basic, but all you need. Mirror.
And there's also another mirror. I'm not sure what was in here. I didn't look. Have you?
I think it's hangers.
Okay, so you got hangers. They only have, like any hotel, give you one suitcase stand. I don't know why. I don't think there's anything else this end. Nope, just more hangers. Alright, so you got mirrors. Excuse all our stuff. So I'd say it's 2 queens, I would say.
Yeah, maybe. Charging stations. Lamp, 2 beds, TV. Air conditioning unit.
Standard single chair.
Yeah. Desk if you need to do some laptop work.
YouTube,
Yeah.
or you can write. Got
Very,
air conditioning.
very clean, very basic, but we're not planning on spending too much time in the room, so it's perfect for what you need it for.
This is literally, we're in Tower 4 and we're literally here for 2 nights before we head off to Universal. So we just went to downtown Disney, which probably took us, what, 8 to 10 minutes?
Maybe.
Say 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We do have a map that they give you as well. It's not too far, like it was an easy walk. It wasn't overly hot today, but it got warm walking. As you can see, they give you a map.
So this is where we are. We just did a walk.
And you're there. They also have, I don't know whether we still got the paper, but they also have daily, I think she said every 15 minutes is a shuttle
To get to and from Disney.
So I think she said it runs from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m.
Yeah.
It was a long time. It might even be 5 a.m. It was really early. So you can get picked up, dropped off. I think it was $6 for a whole day. So you can get on and off whenever you want. So it also has a restaurant downstairs, which we will suss out tonight and we'll also add in. There's what we call a service station, but a gas station at the corner with says a mini mart.
Yeah.
The girl at the desk.
Basics.
Yeah, the girl at the desk said it's just munchies, but we're going to go check that out as well, so we might throw something in.
It does have a little Disney store downstairs. I haven't checked it out yet, but
we'll be getting to that too. So we'll definitely be adding all of that in as well.
Okay, so sink. They provide you with all your hand wash, body lotion. In the shower they have shampoo, conditioner and body wash, which is a great added bonus. Very tight bathroom, but
I didn't even notice them myself, sorry.
But again, for how long we're gonna be using it for, it's great. Everything's really clean. So that's all we could really ask for.
Yeah, anything else that we can add in, we will. As usual, it's just a quick room tour. You know, it's all your standard necessities really. As long as it's got a fridge that we can chuck some water in, we're usually good to go. So, sorry about the lighting in here, the GoPro hates low light. But
so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and watch some of our previous videos that we have on our page.
and as always, it's mostly Hawaii, but we're throwing in some LA, some Cancun, some Miami, Florida, Fort Lauderdale, all different hotels, and there's a lot more Hawaii to come.
Yeah, stay tuned. Bye.
I'll quickly add this in as well. This is just the hallway. There's a absolute ton of rooms at this hotel. Like, it looks very massive. But just to add in also, at the elevator you've got obviously an ice machine, and if you get really desperate, a drink machine. I have no idea what they're stinging you, God knows, but it is there if you need it. If you get stuck, it's better than nothing. So we're just going to quickly dart down to the corner store and see what it has, because the girl said there's no food unless you go to Disney. Downtown Disney was it. So, except for the restaurant here, which we're going to also check out tonight. Okay, so you must be able to turn the water park on, because at the moment it's on, and earlier it was not on. So, outside the room, besides the little hidden Mickeys, you've got the splash zone for kids. Whether it comes on or not, I'm not sure. I literally just walked in here like 10 seconds ago and I just ran back to get the GoPro. So I have no idea. We're in Tower 4 back there. This is like the walkway through, but we'll probably do another proper bit on this anyway, where the pool is and all that as well. So I'm assuming that when you go in that you can turn on the splash zone 9 AM to 9 PM. So if you've got kids, little kids, and you just want to chill, let them run amok, then you can. And I just realised that you wouldn't want to be doing anything in those rooms if you leave the curtains open, because you can see straight in. So, and then also here's the pool area, which I doubt we will use this time around, especially you. But it's a good looking pool, decent size, got spa. And then you've got like a little sitting area out here as well. This is where the restaurant is. The one thing I can't find is all of our food footage, but we only ate, I think, breakfast and dinner here once each. So there's plenty of options for kids. You've got your pizzas, you've got chicken wings, all different kinds. There's meals to suit everyone, and it wasn't overly expensive. It's, for what it is, it's worth just eating at the hotel if you get back late. And we'll walk up to the corner, which I think it's literally just here, isn't it? I think it's quite literally next door. So I'll stop recording and I'll re-record when we get there just to see what they've got. Okay, so it literally was a 30-second walk And they've got a California pizzeria. It's a really beautiful area actually. It's very clean, nice. I didn't know what to expect from what you hear, but so far it looks great. Wow. Thanks. I guess I need to pack you on. You're gonna get him something. That looks good too. Do you want one? Like, do you want anything like that? I might get the strawberry kiwi in that because the other one I had the other day was great. And then let's see what order. I just feel like if we're only here tonight, really only bought us for tonight. Now the only thing I didn't have footage of is when you walk in the door to reception, to the right there's like a little mini mart, but it's like tiny. It's a few meters square, has Disney products in it, Loungefly. We got shaving cream to have drinks, but there's not much there, but there is still things if you get stuck, like if you need a toothbrush or toothpaste or shaving cream, by all means. But I couldn't find, same thing, it was that much of a mad rush, and we only called in there after being at the park all day till late. So there's a lot of things I probably missed, but at least this gives you an idea. And as for pricing, our price in Australian was $225 a night, and that's only $145 American. Our dollar is horrible. So plus taxes, which was 77 Australian, so I'd say probably like $30, $40 maybe US. It was a total Australian of $528 for 2 nights. And I think when we looked at the Disney hotel, it was about $900 to $1,200 per night. So to walk 5 minutes if you're only going to sleep, this hotel is mint. It's perfect. It's a quick walk. It's still a long walk for the 15-20 minutes to get back once you've walked all day to park, but worst case, get an Uber for $5-10 if you can't be bothered. But we walked it easy after a full day out. I wish we could have bought you a lot more in this hotel, but at least you've seen the room, you get the idea of where it is, pricing. So please like, sub, as we're definitely coming back, and we're going to do probably maybe a different hotel again, and there's going to be a lot of Disney to come. So we're going to try and keep mixing it up, and yeah, like, subscribe. We'll do what we can. Thank you.